How to use the same WhatsApp account on two different Android devices. One of the newest additions added to WhatsApp is tablet compatibility for its current linked devices feature. WhatsApp is constantly adding new features to the app. Do you know that you may simultaneously use two phones and WhatsApp with this feature? Here's how to go about it. It's possible to utilize the same account on both devices thanks to a clever Android hack that was initially reported by Android Authority. The approach involves tricking a second phone into thinking it's a tablet, and then letting WhatsApp connect that second tablet to the first phone. We will now refer to the main phone as phone A and the backup phone as phone B in order to make this happen. Here is how to get going. Configuring phone A. The standard WhatsApp app won't work on your primary phone. You'll need to update to the beta version. If you haven't already, you can join WhatsApp's beta program by visiting Epic Mirror and downloading the most recent beta version of the app, version 2.22.25.8. All data is required. Install the APK you downloaded. It should update over your existing WhatsApp, not requiring any additional setup. You should notice WhatsApp's notification for tablet compatibility and linked devices on the home screen, as shown in the image above. Configuring phone B. Make sure there isn't a running instance of WhatsApp on a different Android smartphone. We need to make Android believe that this phone is a tablet before continuing. You must go to developer settings in order to accomplish that. The route to the developer settings page may vary depending on the phone you have, but a fast Google search should get you there. Find the smallest width setting on the developer settings tab, and make a note of its initial value, which usually should be a number between 300 and 500. Then, set this value to 600 and save the adjustment. Your text, icons, and other UI elements will all start to shrink right away, giving the device the tablet effect. Though this is only temporary, don't worry. The identical WhatsApp APK file can now be installed on phone B as well. You will be required to choose a language and accept the terms and conditions as part of the setup procedure. From here, you should see a QR code, much to what browsers would display when you use WhatsApp Web, rather than the standard WhatsApp setup process. Putting it all together now that you've accessed the linked devices menu on phone A, your main device, you can use it to scan the QR code on phone B, your secondary device. The linked devices menu can be found in the top right three-dot menu of your home page. Once this is complete, the second device should connect without issue, enabling you to utilize the same WhatsApp account across both phones. You can now return to developer settings, smallest width on phone B to reset the value to the initial value. Normal operation of your text and user interface should now have resumed, but WhatsApp will continue to use the same account. Want to use the same account on yet another Android phone? To add a third device, you can also add phone B by using the same process.